Hi, my name is Mike Wilson with Entrepreneur Power Network. I'm going to show you how to create a blog post really simple with ChatGPT. Now, I have the pro version of ChatGPT, so I'm just going to stick to the basics of ChatGPT 3.5 rather than using the pro version of 4, since most people are using the free version. I want to show you through the free version. So let's go ahead and create a blog post. I'm a business coach, and I coach on business networking and how to grow your network and how to grow your social capital, and help your business grow use by leveraging your social capital. So I'm going to create a blog post based on that. So let's go ahead. I'm just sat down in front of my computer. What topics do I write? I don't know what to write right now. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me some topic ideas. Uh, give me some topic. Oh, first of all, I like to tell ChatGPT you're an expert on something. You are an expert on uh, business networking. So you kind of want to actually tell ChatGPT you are an expert on whatever it is, and it really gives more emphasis on any advice that it gives you. The output it's going to give you is going to be based off of that expertise. So let's go ahead and write create a blog. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, give me. I need topics. Give me 10. Let's go with 15 topics on business networking. I was already going to write the blog post, but I need a topic. So let's go ahead and it's going to go ahead and give me the different topics. Building and expanding your professional network, effective networking strategies for introverts. Ooh, I like that one right there. Because I used to be I'm still an introvert, but I'm an introvert that now loves to go out and meet with people and stuff like that. But I used to be quite the opposite. So let's go. That's a really good topic there. Okay, so I already told it it's an expert in business networking. But if you want to do it again, just to make sure, hey ChatGPT, remember you're a business networking guru. So you are a business networking specialist. Expert. I'm sorry, expert. Write an article on. And what I like to do when I say on, I put a semicolon, and also I put a to put emphasis. You want to also put in quotations. So I went and copied. Yeah, I think I copied it. Paste. Yes, I did. Okay, and then close the parentheses. Make sure you close it. Also, give me some hashtags. Now, the reason I want hashtags because the hashtag. Let me see hashtags. The reason I want to give hashtags that I might want to also share it on social media. Sometimes what I do is I put in my blog post, and then I also put the same article throughout on 3 social media platforms. And so I like to have the hashtags also, and you can also add and also keywords. You can have some keywords also, so you can know which keywords are really helpful for this article because you can use that for different things. Like if you do a YouTube video on the subject, you'll have the keywords for it already. So let's go ahead and press enter, and it spits out. It gives you the title, and then it gives you the keywords, the introduction, and it pretty much writes the whole article here. Now, see, I have a whole article here, and now what I would do from here, I'm not going to go through this step, but I just got to tell you, go ahead and put it into a plagiarism just to make sure. There's pretty much it's not plagiarized. It's unique stuff, but just to make sure, because sometimes if you go to Grammarly, it'll give you some references and say that hey, this was a reference to something. You can actually put that in in the reference area. Like it makes it more credible that it shows that you reference something. So go to Grammarly, copy, paste on Grammarly, check the grammar on it, make sure everything looks good and everything else. And also, I highly recommend that you add your own twist to it. Put at the end maybe your website. Remember, don't be too spammy. Don't try to sell anything like that. You want to give value. But at the end, go ahead and put your website or your social media account or information or something like that. But it's so simple. I mean, you can create articles. Actually, you can do this on your cell phone. You can actually, if you're waiting in the doctor's office and you have a long wait, I'm gonna go ahead and write an article real quick. Spit out the art. Get some ideas first. Something that really resonates with you. Go ahead and write an article on that specific topic. Remember, tell it that ChatGPT, you're an expert on that certain topic. Then tell it to write, the action. Write an article on this. You can tell it to write 1,000-word article, 1,500, 2,000-word article. Write an article, a certain number of words if you want. Article. Remember, blogs, you don't want too long. You don't want a dissertation when you do a blog. And then at the end, if you want keywords, if you want hashtags, or whatever you want at the end, you can also tell ChatGPT to be emotional about it. You can have an emotion on it, whatever it is, and it really will write it out for you. Now, if you don't like the output that it has, or if it's too long, you can actually come down here and say shorten. I mean, just talk to it like. You know what? I like to say that ChatGPT is like a very, very intelligent 5-year-old. It doesn't know what exactly that you want, but you have to talk to it kind of like a 5-year-old, and then it will do what you need to do, and it'll have the proper output. Shorten above, and so it will do that. It will shorten it for me. And so it's a lot shorter. So you talk to it. You know what? I don't like the output. You know what? Or say rewrite it. I don't like the way it came out. So rewrite the article, and do this to it or add this to it. Sometimes you might forget that. Hey, I forgot to put my name in there. Put myself as an expert and put my name in there. And you can do that. Like for instance, let's go ahead and do that. No. This article is not really elaborate. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and do this. Michael Wilson. Add. Okay, wait. Forgot to put add in above our. I was basically telling you, I used to be an introvert. Well, I'm still an introvert, but I found a way around it to deal with it. So you can just blabber away, and it will actually write an effective article on that. You see Michael Wilson's story, and you see he wrote a story about me, and which I'll read a little later. And so it added. So just talk to it and say, what, add this and add this. You can keep going until you feel like the article is perfect. And so again, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. And I'll go ahead and share if you can, but also subscribe, because I'm going to have some other. I'm actually a ChatGPT addict, and I've found this tool to be very, very helpful, especially as a business coach. I've not only been able to help with my marketing, but I've also been able to help my clients. So ChatGPT is a very, very powerful tool. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.